Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. So I'm getting started with this mini table right here, and the colors are black, green, and gold. So I am purely winging it this time. No plans, no plan of attack for this, so we'll just see how it goes. But one thing that I do need to make sure I pay attention to and be careful about is the fact that because I have large cups and not the small little like medicine cup sizes, that I be very careful about how I'm pouring and where I'm pouring, so that I don't start mixing colors or mixing colors that I don't want to actually be mixed. So I'm being really careful about that. I try my best not to have too harsh of a line, so I am using sticks to kind of merge some of the colors together so I don't have a hard line. I'm sorry y'all, so my camera did not want to cooperate and it cut out some footage. So what has been added from here is, in this open space, I wanted it to have a little bit of something. It was just looking a little too bland for me. So I added some gold foil to clear resin and just poured it into that blank area, that wooded area. I also added crushed glass, and that's what I'm adding this glitter on top of right now. I also added some green glitter to green resin and added that on to some of the black and green areas just to get another little push of excitement. You know, everything is better with glitter when it comes to resin, so that's what I added. So I'm about to get started with my top coat, and don't forget to sand the top of your resin. You can just clean it off with some alcohol, but it's not a requirement to do, but it does help it adhere a little better. You know, the little scratches, the resin can fall into those little crevices that you can barely see. So not a requirement, but highly recommended. So this is just an agate piece that I'm adding on to the top just to give it another little feature. Almost all of my crystals come from Crystal River Gems, so I love it. I call it an agate cupcake. It's from one of their lives that they used to do, or actually they still do them, so I love it. Also, one of the banes of my existence is masking. So just because I love you all, you're gonna mask or unmask with me. The sides of the table are, I believe this is MDF board. One thing that I really can't stand about it is that the resin kind of seeps through and it has that color change. So when this happens, I usually take just some gold paint, gold or silver, whatever is the matching color of the day, and just paint the sides. I might take a couple of coats because it does soak up the paint a bit, but makes it better. And this is the final piece, the final table. Isn't it so cute? I love little tables. I hope you all like this. Please leave a comment, like, subscribe so that you all can see what the next projects are coming up. Bye.